Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to get my old Facebook account back, step by step. If you've lost access to your account, don't worry. Just follow these instructions carefully. And before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it's open, go ahead and close it completely. Step 2. Open any web browser, such as Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Step 3. In the search bar, type google.com and press enter. Step 4. Now, in the Google search bar, type Facebook support account and hit enter. Step 5. From the search results, tap on Facebook support account. Step 6. Next, tap on the Help Center option. Step 7. Look for the section labeled Login and Password and tap on it. Step 8. Now tap on Fix a Login Problem. Step 9. Scroll down the page until you find the option that says, if you can't access the email or mobile number on the account. Tap on it. Step 10. If you're having trouble resetting your password, select the option that says, unable to reset password due to password reset limit. Step 11. Tap on the blue option that says, recover your account. Step 12. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Enter your mobile number or email to search for your account, then tap on Continue. Step 13. Now, enter your password and tap on Login. Step 14. Complete the remaining steps as prompted to successfully recover your account. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.